All right, it is now the next morning. Today it is December 5th, Thursday. It's 8:56. Work's about to start. I picked up different hoses. These are a lot thicker than the ones that I had yesterday. The ones that I had on were collapsing on themselves. So these are a lot heavier duty now. Should no longer have an issue. Coolant is still pretty topped off. I want to fire it up, see how it sounds. Today we'll drive it. Oh, those are not my keys. All right. Chewy. And there it is. We're ready to warm up. And well, work's about to start, so I'm not going to be able to drive it right now, but we'll drive it later on today. All right, it is now December 7th. It is Saturday. I have not had a chance to drive the car yet. We are on our way to work right now to pick up the car. It is 6:40 in the morning. I'm gonna drive the car. I'm gonna get the monitors complete so I can smog the car, and then I'm hosting a meetup at 9 o'clock for having breakfast and celebrating that the car is back. So yeah, so we got a good long day ahead of us, and then I also want to stop at a muffler shop and get that 3-inch exhaust welded. Now that I have the stock cat in place, so we have the correct alignment that needs to be welded on. So yeah, I want to get all that stuff knocked out. It's stupid foggy, can't see shit, just jumping on the freeway. I washed my car last night. It's gonna get all moisty right now. Damn. At least it's gonna look good in the fog. Shit, yeah, let's get to work. Sweet, and here she is, all cleaned up. Washed her up last night. We'll top off the coolant. I want to make sure everything is nice and bled. Don't want to overheat. I am going to be taking coolant, some tools in case I break down. I'm gonna load these exhaust pieces that I have and see if maybe they could weld this one, or if they could. I think this is gonna be too small already, but I'm gonna take it both anyways. See if maybe they could weld this one on there, or if they have their own 3-inch piping. Let's go for it. And I'll grab some tools. Yeah. Let's finally take her for a drive and smog it, so we put the supercharger back on. Sweet, let's fire this thing up. Fire in the hole. Oh, sounds so good. Shit, yeah. Let's get this sucker warmed up. Oh man, it's coldies, bro. We have life on our radios. We have life on our radios. Yes. Sweet. Well, let me get everything loaded up and we'll get going. All right, well, here we go. I haven't installed it yet. I feel like this engine runs a little rough, but like it sounds healthy. I don't know. Just be the engine's not settling correctly yet with the mounts and stuff. I have to gas it, bro. This clutch is super grabby. All right, well, let's go. vibrate like this. Fucking shit's hella vibrating now. We will see. Well, she's doing okay so far. She's hella vibrating. Whew. Well, so far so good. No check engine light, no nothing. Well, I just need to drive it so we could get these monitors set and we could smog it. And yeah, let's just pray for the best. I'm so nervous and scared right now. I don't know what to expect. Alright, well, so far so good. We're hopping on the freeway. See what happens here. We are cruising. Stupid foggy outside. Oh man, it's 43 degrees. Yeah, it's pretty dang cold. Well, we got one more monitor to set. Let's get it. All right, it's already 8:10, and I made the meetup spot in Sanger. It's about 15-20 minutes from here. My monitor for the cat is still not complete, so we're just gonna have to drive it over there. I'm gonna pull over real quick because sometimes when you restart the engine, it'll clear the monitor. But regardless, that smog is gonna take a little too long, and it's in Clovis, and so it's gonna take a little too long. I'm gonna be late. Sweet. Check engine. The stage 4 clutch is not that bad, bro, to be honest. We do gotta break it in. It says at least 500. I'm gonna do 1,000. Just baby it. Baby that engine for now too, until she breaks in. But man, I'm loving it. I don't remember my car vibrates so gosh dang much though. I think I gotta loosen up the bolts on the engine, let it like settle, and then retighten the bolts. I think I'm gonna do that. I feel all the damn vibrations. But she's driving good. Woo. I love it. Well, no problems. No problems. No problems. I'm gonna just turn up the music, bump it, and enjoy my drive. Yeah. Sweet. And we're gonna grab something to eat. I feel like breakfast. Lunch looks pretty damn good too though. Yeah. My boy Sebastian made it out. Fuck yeah. My boy that saved me last time. Shit yeah. Her stock form. Eat, bitch. Eat. Ooh, I got the pastrami. This shit looks fire. Let's see some fries. My boy got the chorizo one. That shit's yummy. Yeah. Good day. Ooh, look at these janditas. Shit is dope. Thank you guys for coming out. Appreciate you boys. Yeah. Well, let's go smog this bitch. Nice little lineup. Yeah, boys, thank you for coming out. Let's go smog this bitch. And here we are, Clovis Smogs. Get this sucker smogged and over with. Yeah, buddy. I think there's a parade going on today. I have chairs lined up all the way up and down. And they're getting a parade boat going over here. It's a big old trailer hooked up to the Hummer. I guess that's not trash. Alright, he's gonna pull my Civic in. What? Oh, the key, that's why. Alright, here we go now. Shoo-wee. Let's go exam. Let's ace this sucker. Here we go. Let's see what happens. You got it. Let's pass this test. Alright, so she passed her smog exam. Now we're gonna go to the muffler shop, get our muffler welded. And I'm gonna buy new spark plugs for this thing. I'm using old spark plugs to see if that makes a fat difference. But other than that, she's driving good. No issues yet. Yet. Sweet, and we came to Advance Auto. I'm gonna get these plugs, get to the muffler shop. Sweet. My boy said that these are pretty good, the HXs. Give those a try. We're just gonna use those for like a week or two. Let's go get that exhaust welded on. And he has a car in front of me, so fuck it. As we wait, we'll finish out these plugs. Shit, yeah. Get that shit going right here at Muffler King. Fun stuff. Ooh, coming out clean. I love it. Shit, yeah. Oh, I think it sounds better. Shit, yeah. Sweet, the exhaust is welded on. We're ready to move on to the next part. Supercharger. That won't be for tonight though. That'll be for another day. Sweet, we're done. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.